Hey there, I'm Isabella, your sweet storyteller. It warms my heart to have you here with me. Tonight, we're set for an adventure into the world of mystery and suspense. Get ready to be hooked by a story that unfolds in the shadows of the unknown, where every page brings us closer to an unsolved enigma. Before we dive into the gripping narrative, take a moment to let go of the day's events. Inhale deeply, letting the weight of the world lift from your shoulders. Exhale, embracing the soothing calm that surrounds you. As we embark on this mysterious tale, picture yourself on the edge of anticipation, eager to uncover the secrets that lie ahead. The story we're about to unfold draws inspiration from real-life enigmas, weaving a tapestry of intrigue that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Feel the tension in your muscles dissipate with each breath. With the day behind you and relaxation setting in, let the excitement of the unknown heighten your senses. Together, we'll navigate through the twists and turns of this suspenseful narrative. Now, as the world fades away and the mystery unfolds, allow the soothing rhythm of my voice to guide you into a tranquil state. Stay tuned as we step into the mysterious unknown, where every moment holds the promise of revelation. The story unfolds in 1930s London, where a baffling murder case shocked society and became an astonishing mystery. The protagonist, Edmund Foster, a young lawyer with a passion for chess, becomes the primary suspect in a complex insurance case turned homicide. On the evening of January 19, 1931, Edmund participated in the annual chess competition at the London Lawyers Association, intensifying the atmosphere within the club. After the match, he received a mysterious phone call with a deep and enigmatic voice, arranging a meeting the next night in a secluded park to discuss what seemed like a mundane insurance case. The following evening, Edmund arrived punctually at the agreed-upon location, only to find it seemingly deserted. Despite inquiries and questioning passers-by, no one had heard of the address. Gradually, a sense of unease crept over him, yet he chose to return home. Upon his return at 8:45 that night, he found the door slightly ajar. Upon entering the living room, he witnessed a shocking scene. His wife, Victoria, lay on the floor, her head brutally assaulted, and precious items hidden in the bookshelf were missing. The police swiftly launched an investigation, discovering perplexing clues. Tiny traces of blood were found in the bathroom mirror, yet no murder weapon or crime scene footprints were located. The case seemed filled with intrigue, resembling a play directed by Edmund himself. The police presented a series of evidence-deepening suspicions against Edmund. Firstly, his absence from previous matches and sudden participation in the current competition raised questions. The existence of the mysterious phone call further complicated matters. Secondly, the location of the phone booth used by the mysterious caller was conveniently close to his residence, suggesting he might have made the call before rushing to the club. Additionally, the club's phone number was not publicly available, known only to senior members, intensifying Edmund's suspicion. Lastly, based on a colleague's recollection during a social gathering, Edmund had described his wife as lifeless, adding to the suspicions. However, Edmund vehemently denied the charges, and his defense attorney presented counter-evidence. Firstly, the timing of the crime seemed implausible. Victoria's estimated time of death was between 1835 and 19 o'clock, while Edmund boarded the train at 1906. witnesses placed Victoria alive between 1830 and 1845, making Edmund's crime window extremely tight. Secondly, the chess tournament schedule had been posted months prior on the club's bulletin board, making his participation time public. Furthermore, the survey suggested the perpetrator would have been covered in blood, yet Edmund's clothing that night showed no traces. Lastly, a witness recalled the person delivering the message having a gentle and polite voice, significantly different from Edmund's. Despite Edmund's persistent claims of innocence, he was convicted in the first trial in April 1931. However, an appeal to the London Criminal Appeals Court in May overturned the verdict due to insufficient evidence, leading to Edmund's acquittal. Though freed from legal consequences, the media's extensive coverage and the hardships endured left Edmund unable to return to a normal life. A year later, he succumbed to a severe kidney ailment. The case became a perpetual mystery, as the murder weapon remained elusive, the motive undisclosed, and no key clues surfaced. It earned the title of the perfect crime. As time passed, society gradually forgot about the case. Yet, in the modern era, with advancements in technology and forensic techniques, a young, curious journalist named Alison Harper reignited interest in the century-old mystery. Alison delved deep into the archives, interviewing investigators and relatives of witnesses. She discovered overlooked testimonies, including one eyewitness who mentioned a stranger appearing near the crime scene that night, engaging in conversation with the victim's wife. This witness had been previously disregarded by the police, but emerged now. Alison's investigation stirred public interest, prompting media to revisit the case, reigniting discussions about the murder. People expressed a renewed desire for the truth, hoping to unravel the century-long enigma. Simultaneously, technological progress expedited Alison's investigation. She enlisted an exceptional forensic team to conduct DNA analysis on the blood samples from that era. This time, technology seemed to open a portal through time, transporting everyone back to London in 1931. Upon re-examining the evidence, Alison made startling discoveries. The primitive DNA techniques of that era had overlooked crucial details, and modern technology revealed additional DNA in the blood samples. DNA that matched the previously mentioned strangers almost perfectly. This revelation captured widespread attention, with the public and media buzzing with excitement. Alison became a focal point, leading people into a rekindled hope for the truth behind what was once considered the perfect crime. However, as the truth gradually surfaced, more questions arose. Who was the mysterious caller? What was the identity of the stranger? What motivated the murder? Alison began to realize that behind the facts lay a potentially more intricate story. The story continues, and as Alison's investigation deepens, she will slowly unveil the buried mystery behind this century-old case. This exploration into the perfect crime will guide people through a journey across intertwined timelines,